Automate all your business tasks using 200 plus AI tools for free. World's first Google Bard AI powered app that gives you limitless Bard power, limitless profit. AI Core, world's first 200-in-1 ChatGPT and OpenAI killer Google Bard powered app suite that does everything. Creating content, eye-catchy graphics, converting text to video, text to image, ChatGPT AI chatbot, keyword to video, keyword to image, corrects grammar, makes image variations, writes product names, interviews, summarizes and explains text, topic outlines, sentiment analysis, proofreading, analogy maker, keyword extractor, ad copy and spreadsheet generator in just 2 minutes. Just sit back and watch your profits grow. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple ChatGPT and AI apps once and for all. Build high-converting sales video scripts, ads copies, trending articles, etc. in 3 clicks. AI Core uses Google Bard PLM 2 powers and does everything in 3 easy steps, and there's no huge investment or time needed. Take your business in the right direction and skyrocket business growth. AI Core has everything needed to stop paying huge monthly fees to expensive AI platforms. Visit the link in the description box to watch AI Core in action now.